So hello guys, welcome to IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and first of all, many congratulations for the song.
Thank
ना
you.
नहीं सुनना हम लोग किसी को भी we don't like to hear ना, but then अगर ऐसे गाने आप लेके आओगे सर, अगर आप ऐसे गानों में आप you'll dance like this, सबको ना सुनना जरूर पसंद आएगा. And I think the views, it speaks for itself over there. Some 8.5 million views, something is already there, and it's still, going high and high. So
Wow.
first of all, a very cliche question before we talk about anything else. When you get so much of so much of love and adulation from all corners of the industry, your fans, your friends, and that too for a different kind of a song because the treatment is very different compared to what you see in contemporary music videos. So what do you feel? Do you feel that your creativity has come, has fallen in the right place? What does it feel like when you get such kind of appreciation?
अरे
I honestly feel that for me this is all very brand new. I'm sure
Yeah,
Jigar, Sachin Jigar, both of them are
yeah,
used to this kind of a vibe where उनके songs hit कर रहे हैं and all, but it is very brand new for me. तो मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है. Like I was saying,
yeah.
मैं सुबह उठ के likes, views, comments सब check करती हूँ.
Yeah,
उठते ही my first
yeah,
task is not
yeah,
कि मुझे कौन सा मिस्ड कॉल आया है, काम का क्या
yeah,
कॉल आया है,
yeah,
मैसेज आया, कुछ
yeah,
नहीं.
yeah,
यूट्यूब ना
yeah.
नहीं सुनना,
So
सोनी
you're the
म्यूजिक
stats
दिया,
lady out here.
views.
You're the stats lady out here. You want to constantly keep a track of what's going on, what's the numbers like, and everything.
Yeah,
Right?
because it's very exciting to be honest, and also
Yeah,
I enjoy replying to people's comments. अब कुछ लोग कुछ
yeah,
अजीब कहते हैं तो मुझे भी अजीब रिप्लाई करना अच्छा लगता है. कुछ लोग फनी कहते हैं तो उसका फनी रिप्लाई दे देती हूँ. कुछ लोग
yeah,
बहुत सीरियस
yeah,
है इस वीडियो को लेके कि
yeah,
ये
yeah,
कैसे हुआ, वो कैसे हुआ, तो उन्हें एक्सप्लेन भी करना हमारा ही फर्ज है.
yeah,
तो बड़ा
yeah,
मजा आता
yeah,
है कमेंट्स
yeah,
पढ़ना, रिप्लाई
yeah,
करना, लाइक्स देखना,
yeah,
व्यूज देखना. तो दैट इज माय होल थिंग. ऑफ कोर्स आई नो
yeah.
वेरी लिटिल अबाउट म्यूजिक, बट मुझे इतना जरूर पता है कि ये गाना मैं अपने गाड़ी में, अपनी पार्टीज में ब्लास्ट करके रखूंगी. आई एंजॉय द बीट्स, आई एंजॉय द वाइब,
Yeah,
एंड ऑफ कोर्स द
yeah,
लिरिक्स.
yeah. Of course, Sachin, do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah, like how Crystal said, right? That it is overwhelming. It is really, something that an artist, not only Jigar or Sachin as a part of this,
Yeah,
any artist
yeah,
just looks forward to
yeah,
reactions. अच्छा बुरा अलग बात है, पर at least लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है. That is more important.
correct, correct.
So it is very overwhelming कि आपका गाना है और 5 दिन में 8 मिलियन व्यू हो गए हैं और ये अभी 10 मिलियन हो जाएंगे. Although this is just a number, but it is also a check on how many more people are watching it.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Absolutely. And, but the numbers will obviously keep on rising. There's a good word of mouth that will obviously, fall into place and that will definitely help the song. But then I want to ask you this, Sachin Ki, sorry, Jigar, that, when you talked about numbers out here, in today's time, music is not just the success of a song, I would say, is not just determined by, say, the melody or, how it resonates with your ears. It also has to do a lot with, अरे यार कितने views आए, अरे इंस्टाग्राम पे कितने लोगों ने देखा, कितने कमेंट्स आए. तो डू यू समटाइम्स फील कि हाँ दिस कैन कर्व डाउन the creativity level of, say, a musician who creates music by heart, because sometimes what comes out from the heart might not be good for social media engagement. Do you sometimes feel it can curb it down?
Uh, there are okay. I'm not being serious. I'm just being factful over here.
Yeah,
So
yes, please.
तो basically ना जो genuinely musician है ना वो गाना
जी,
बना के डाल देगा और वो
जी,
2 कमेंट से खुश रहेगा कि यार मेरा गाना 2 लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है.
जी,
अगर आपका इंटेंशन ये है कि बॉस इस गाने को तो मुझे 5,000 बिलियन व्यू करवाना है, उस
yeah,
एक्सपेक्टेशन से अगर आपने गाना बनाया है तो मुझे लगता है आपकी शुरुआत ही गलत है. और आप और कभी भी आप अपने एक्सपेक्टेशन को नहीं मीट कर पाओगे क्योंकि
yeah,
दैट इज द रॉन्ग स्टार्ट टू मेकिंग अ सॉन्ग. द राइट वे टू मेक अ
yeah.
सॉन्ग इज मेक अ सॉन्ग. सो
I get it. I get it. Just just start कर्म करते रहो and फल की आशा मत करो. I think that is
नहीं,
what it
ऐसा
is.
भी नहीं है. दैट डजंट मीन कि आप गाने को प्रमोट मत करो. दैट डजंट मीन आप गाने पे
Yeah,
पैसा मत लगाओ.
yeah,
इट
yeah,
मीन्स कि आपके पास जितना है
yeah,
क्या बोलते हैं आर्मर, उतनी गोली
yeah,
चलाओ. एंड बी रियलिस्टिक कि मेरे पास 2 रुपए है,
Yeah.
2 रुपए में मुझे 2 ही व्यू मिलेंगे.
Yeah.
अगर वो 2 नहीं मिलते हैं तो आपका फेलियर है,
Yeah.
पर 2 ले आओ. So be
Yeah.
factful about what you're doing, because we are in times where money is
Yeah.
more important than the product, than the song,
Yeah.
and
True.
artist is more important than the art. So we are all in this, and we are going to get past this also.
Of course, let's hope for the best on this. Crystal, you mentioned that this is something which is very new for you because you haven't really done something like this in the past. But I'm pretty sure that you must have got a lot of offers earlier. So what was it like? कि हाँ ये मुझे करना है? Which was the driving point which made you feel like कि हाँ I want to be a part of this genuinely with a lot of heart?
So I'm somebody that if I like the song, that's only when I will go ahead and be like, ये मुझे
Yeah.
करना है. So is
Your
why
dance
I'm
steps
very
were also lovely. I'm sorry to interrupt in the middle, but your dance steps were also complementing the vibe of the song really well. And I mean, because it also has to match what you
I
were
think
seeing
such-
has
I
to
think
match with what you are hearing.
सच कहूँ तो जिगर totally overshadowed me.
Come on.
ऐसा नहीं है. He has killed
That's
it.
just being
He
humble,
has
both of you.
acted. He has danced. He has
Yeah.
sang. He
Yeah.
has done everything.
Yeah.
तो
Yes.
वो क्रेडिट मैं नहीं ले सकती हूँ, लेकिन हाँ, when I heard this song the first time,
Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah.
ये गाना is super hit for me. अब ये लोगों के लिए बने ना बने,
Yeah.
मुझे
Yeah.
इतना फर्क
Yeah.
नहीं पड़ता. मेरे लिए
Yeah.
I loved the song. I wanted
Yeah.
to be a part of it. I wanted to
Yeah.
be on board as soon as I heard the track. There was nothing
Yeah.
else. I had not.
Yeah.
I never knew. I mean, I knew of course. I knew of Jigar, but I've never met him before. So
Yes.
I all of these names were names, but they were not faces. So I just
Yeah.
could hear the song. I was like, "Iska hissa mujhe banna hai," and that's what clicked. And I said, "This is what I want to go ahead with." Then that's when they
Yeah.
explained the concept, and I was like,
Yeah.
"Ab to bhai sahab karna hi hai."
Yeah, I gotta be a part of that.
Yeah,
Interesting,
you
very
have to
interesting.
be a
But
part of some epic stuff in life.
yeah, and Jigar, when you talk about this kind of a song, it's not just about this song, but also everything that you make, because you guys make songs as a duo, right? And when you are making songs as a duo, then it's not just your creativity that's coming into play, but also the other person with whom you're working. So I'm pretty sure, just like you also have certain common emotions, there are times when you guys have disagreements as well, which is very normal. So when you have those disagreements when you're making a song, how do you actually reach a stage of equilibrium where you feel like कि चल ना ये तेरा नहीं होगा तो चल मेरा होगा, या फिर ये मेरा नहीं होगा तो तेरा होगा, let's do this. How do you reach that equilibrium at that point of time?
So there are if 90% disagreements between us,
Okay.
and that's what makes the two of us, that we are two
Yes.
very, very strong headed musicians, and we have our
Yeah.
strong points. But
Yeah.
तेरा मेरा इसलिए नहीं होता है क्योंकि eventually we are working towards a song, you know.
Yes. It's a common goal.
तो अगर एक गाने पे, और हमारे बीच में एक ही मशीन है हमारे स्टूडियो में, we don't have two separate machines. So and that is a purposeful call we have taken कि एक रात को अगर
Yeah.
मैं कुछ काम करके गया हूँ, सुबह आके या तो वो उसको मिटा सकता है, इरेज कर सकता है, या उसको आगे बढ़ा सकता है, या अगर वो काम करके गया है तो मैं उसको मिटा सकता हूँ या आगे बढ़ा सकता हूँ या बदल सकता हूँ. अगर मिटा रहा हूँ, then I will if Sachin has made a song or an idea which I
Yeah.
don't agree to,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
I have to make something which both of us believe is better than that idea.
True.
Otherwise pointless कुछ भी नहीं है. हर चीज को एक point है.
Yeah.
और हमारे सारे गाने actually is a mixture of both of us. I don't remember one single song that one of us
Yeah.
has made.
I think that's where the success comes into play, because आप दोनों एक साथ इकट्ठे होके काम करते हो. So I think that's how it is, teamwork at the end of the day.
In fact, in this
we
song,
have talked.
in
Yeah.
fact, in this song, we have gone beyond the two of us. We have had DJ Rehab
Yeah.
collab with us.
Okay.
So DJ Rehab, मतलब उसके साथ भी एक अलग equation है. So it has been a much fun process, and the two of us working together is the best thing that has happened in my life.
Yeah. And that shows, that's not just the best thing for you, but that's also the best thing for a lot of your fans as well. Because, at the end of the day, that's what exactly I'm talking about. Teamwork at the end of the day, that's what matters.
Yes.
We spoke a lot about the song. Now I have a few fun questions for you both. I want to start with you, Jigar. बेसिकली छोटे छोटे सवाल है, फटाफट आप दोनों को जवाब देने हैं. First 5 questions for you, Jigar, and then the next 5 for Crystal. So are we ready? We are good to go?
Yes.
Good to go.
Okay, perfect. So the first one for you, Jigar, the most favorite moment in your professional life so far, if you had to pick just one.
Doing Sriram Raghavan's film.
Okay, yes, I agree. Okay, the one thing that you miss the most from your childhood.
My mother.
Okay. A piece of advice that you would love to give to the upcoming musicians.
Be independent.
Okay. A piece of advice that you have probably got at a very early age in your life and you still carry it forward. You still
Be
follow it.
honest. Be honest to your work.
Okay. Okay. The last one, your first ever celebrity crush. Do you have any?
Crystal.
I'm looking forward to the smile on her face when you say this. Okay, Crystal, we move on to you now. 5 questions. First one is a choice, ice cream or gulab jamun. Which one will you pick? If you had to choose just one for the rest of your life.
I am lactose intolerant, so gulab jamun. That was easy.
Okay. We understand. We understand the emotions. Okay. Shah Rukh Khan's hand wave gesture या फिर Salman Khan's shirtless act?
Shah Rukh Khan. I'm a hopeless romantic.
So that's not much of a difficult choice then. Okay.
Yes.
So that one thing that pisses you off instantly whenever something like that happens.
I think lies is something that pisses me off. I take honesty.
Yeah.
Even if it's not what I want to hear, I would rather take honesty over lies. So one thing that pisses me off is lies. Baki nothing ever pisses me off.
Okay, you know, Jigar just said some time back that the advice that he has followed for his life is honesty. So I love that. Okay.
Made for each other.
Okay, the first thing that you have, I mean, the first thing that you ever see in a man, whenever you're say seeing a man for the first time.
I think his smile, because वो सच्चाई पता चल जाती है इंसान के स्माइल में.
Yeah, I love the answer. Such an innocent one.
गहरा सोचिए गहरा.
गहरा एकदम. You can dive and swim. It's so deep.
If the smile reaches your eyes and that's that, then
you know, your answer is making me and Jigar also smile a lot. You know, because you just spoke about smile.
I'm judging you all.
Yes. Okay, so the last one before we end this. Ever had a crush on a co-star? Kabhi bhi. You need not take the name, but then ever had something like that?
I mean, इतनी acting करके कहीं ना कहीं सच्चाई तो निकल ही जाती है.
Yeah. That's true, and that reflects as well. Audience को भी कभी-कभी समझ में आ जाता है. You know, this is acting, या फिर this is real. That's how you know you kind of bridge the gap. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me out here on IWM Buzz for this one. I wish you guys all the best. 8 million हुए हैं अभी. I hope you know it keeps on going more and more. Wish you all the best. Take care, stay safe. God bless. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.